perfectly perfect. And you look so beautiful, Barbie.
Thanks, Barbie. I feel so beautiful.
So do I.
This is the best day ever.
It is the best day ever, and so is yesterday, and so is tomorrow, and so is the day after tomorrow, and even Wednesdays, and every day from now until forever. Do you guys ever think about dying? I don't know why I just said that. I'm just dying to dance.
Why did they suddenly become silent? And why are they happy and dance again? What's the difference between first dying and second dying? Let's to learn. Barbie is about one of the Barbie dolls who has a personality crisis and has to enter the real world to solve her problem. First, let's see about the women in Barbie movie.
And this has been reflected back onto the little girls of today in the real world. Girls can grow into women who can achieve everything and anything they set their mind to. Thanks to Barbie, all problems of feminism and equal rights have been solved.
Put or set one's mind to.
To decide you are going to do something and to put a lot of effort into doing it. If you just put your mind to it, I'm sure you could do it.
First example is sitcom Brooklyn Nine-Nine, when Gina quitted from the police department and became a celebrity. Here she is talking to her fans and says that you can be anyone you want if you have the ability.
Hi! Are you ready for 3 new Gina Man myths? Number 1, you can be anything you set your mind to, as long as you're already great at it.
Well, first let's see about Barbie's life and her relationship with her boyfriend Ken.
Great. Not even broken. You'll be fine.
Shredding waves is much more dangerous than people realize.
You're very brave, Ken.
Thank you, Barbie.
Yeah,
You know surfer's not even my job.
I know.
Surfer is this.
And it is not lifeguard, which is a common misconception.
Very common.
Yeah, because actually my job, it's just beach.
Right.
And beach is here.
And what a good job you do at beach.
You should heal up in no time.
Heal up means becomes completely healthy again.
Actually, in the time that it took for me to say that sentence, you healed.
Fantastic.
Nice.
Hey, Barbie.
Yeah.
Can I come to your house tonight?
Sure. I don't have anything big planned, just a giant blowout party with all the Barbies and planned choreography and a bespoke song. You should stop by.
Stop by means to visit someone for a short time, usually on the way to another place.
I don't have anything big planned, just a giant blowout party with all the Barbies and planned choreography and a bespoke song. You should stop by.
So cool.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye. Goodbye.
And blowout. Blowout has some different meanings, but here means a large party or social occasion. Breaking Bad series, Hank has been promoted and his colleague wants to throw him a big party. Throw him means make a party.
So when are you gonna announce it?
I don't know. As I'm walking out the door with my big cardboard box.
Can't do that. You know damn well we're gonna throw you a big party.
Damn straight. We're talking a blowout.
If you remember what Hank's promotion was for, comment for us. Well, let's go to the party and what Barbie said.
Do you guys ever think about dying? I don't know why I just said that. I'm just dying to dance.
Second dying means
To be extremely eager to have or do something. Actually means to be very anxious and excited to do something. And the first means facing death.
for the second meaning, let's go to the animation Aladdin. When Jafar, the king's minister, has obtained the power of the genie and wants to show Jasmine that Aladdin is not a prince.
Now, where were we? Ah, yes. Abject humiliation. Hello, princess. There's someone I'm dying to introduce you to.
Jafar, get your hands off her!
Means don't touch her.
Ali, yes, it is he, but not as you know him. Read my lips.
If we have been able to teach you at least one word or one phrase, please like it. The day after party, Barbie's crisis begins and she goes to Weird Barbie to help her.
Oh, I would never wear heels if my feet were shaped this way. Hello?
Wolves.
Oh.
Mark. Wolves. Mark.
Hey. What's cooking good looking?
Hi.
Welcome. Welcome to my weird house. Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Sorry about the dog crap. What can I do you for?
I just had to come see you about my feet. They're,
What's cooking?
Used to ask about what is happening or what someone is planning. Hi there. What's cooking? Are we going out?
Fargo series. Emmett's colleague calls him to give him an important news.
What's cooking?
You need to come down here.
9 o'clock at night, isn't it?
Number, text and buzzers, he came.
Who?
Well now.
You saw Fargo series season 3 and you remember what that important news was. Comment to others.
Hey. What's cooking good looking?
hi.
The meaning of good looking.
Of good or attractive appearance, handsome or beautiful. Actually, someone who is good looking has an attractive face.
Fleabag series, one of our favorites. When the main character goes to her father and the stepmother's house with her new boyfriend, and her stepmother's reaction to her boyfriend is very interesting.
You know, and I can say this because I'm an artist, but you really are very good looking.
Thank you.
Very.
Thank you.
Very.
Thank you.
I mean, almost too good looking.
In the same way, we also taught you English in the Fleabag series, the link of which is here. If you like to learn English with movies and series every week, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Well, let's go to the continuation of Weird Barbie Talks.
So should I... Ooh!
So, what'll it be then? You can go back to your regular life and forget any of this ever happened? Or you can know the truth about the universe. The choice is now yours.
The first one, the high heel.
No. We'll do a redo. You're supposed to want to know.
I don't.
Babe, listen. You have to want to know, okay? Do it again.
I'm not adventure Barbie. I'm stereotypical Barbie. I'm like the Barbie you think of when someone says, think of a Barbie. That's me.
I'm bummed. You're a bummer. That's a bummer.
Okay. I'm ready to forget now.
No.
Bummed.
The meaning of bummed is in low spirits, unhappy, depressed, disappointed, upset, or annoyed.
Friends series, when Ross had a great time with Emily, and now Emily has to go back to London forever, and Ross is sad too.
Wow. Yeah, you guys seem to be having a good time.
Oh, yeah, she's amazing, and she's so much fun. You know, and you know what? When I'm with her, I'm fun. I even signed up for helicopter classes. She's leaving in 2 days. I don't have to do it.
Oh, 2 days? You must be bummed.
Yeah, she's got to go back to London. But you know what? I've been prepared for this from the start. We both knew we had 2 weeks together, and then that's it, you know?
Hey, that's what all my relationships are like. Yes, but in Ross's case, they both know in 2 weeks, that's it.
Chandler meant Joey has short relationship and ditch the girls after 2 weeks. But Ross knew that they want to stop their relationship break up after just 2 weeks.
caricature Barbie. I'm stereotypical Barbie. I'm like the Barbie you think of when someone says, think of a Barbie. That's me.
I'm bummed. You're a bummer. That's a bummer.
Okay.
Bummer.
A disappointing or unpleasant situation or experience. Actually, a rude word for something that is very annoying or not convenient.
Friends again. Phoebe wants to go to the beach to meet her mother's friend, and everyone wants to go except Ross's new girlfriend. Rachel doesn't like her at all. She said, I can't come and I have to go to work. And now Rachel's answer.
Hey, so cool. I know. So this woman probably has all kinds of stories about my parents. And she might even know where my dad is. So I looked her up and she lives out by the beach. So maybe this weekend we could go to the beach.
Oh, yeah, we can.
Okay. Shoot, I can't go after work.
That's too bad.
Oh, big fat bummer.
Here, big fat bummer means very big bummer, very serious bummer.
So great. Okay, tomorrow we're going to drive out to Montauk.
Hey, Bonnie had sex there.
Now Barbie and Ken enters the real world, and what they see is not what they expected.
What's going on?
Give us a smile, Blondie.
Why are these men looking at me?
Yeah, they're also staring at me.
Oh, love that.
Wow.
I feel kind of ill at ease. Like, I don't know the word for it, but I'm conscious, but it's myself that I'm conscious of.
I'm not getting any of that. I feel what can only be described as admired, but not ogled.
In at ease.
To be worried and not relaxed.
The Blacklist series. Cynthia, one of the heads of the FBI, went to Reddington, and Reddington ordered someone to be tortured to get information from her. That person's voice is bothering Cynthia.
You seem ill at ease.
Yes, well.
Now Barbie wants to solve her problem, and she has to find the person who is playing with the Barbie doll.
Weird Barbie said I would know how to find this girl, but I have no idea. What would a smart Barbie do? I just need to clear my mind so I can think. Who is playing with me?
Hate it when people think. Get so bored.
The faster I figure it out, the faster we get to go home.
What am I supposed to do?
Ken, go for a walk or something.
By myself?
Yes.
Really? Where?
Anywhere.
Can I go that way?
Yes. Okay. Don't go far.
Okay.
Figure out.
To finally understand something or someone, or find the solution to a problem after a lot of thought.
With the Robinsons animation, when the bowler hat guy asks Luis, he wants to steal his invention, and Luis doesn't know.
That's it. It's pretty easy.
What a stupid way to turn it on.
Okay, take me to see my mom now.
Yes, of course. Doris?
Ah! We had a deal.
Crossies doesn't count.
For the meaning of deal, you can check this link.
Why are you doing this to me? I never did anything to you.
You still haven't figured it out.
Figured out what?
Let's see if this rings a bell.
Metal Company notices Barbie in the real world.
This is bad. This is really bad.
What?
This happened before.
What? When?
I heard about 10 years ago. A woman named Skipper turned up at some family's home in Key West, asked to babysit the kids. She then tried to take their toddler surfing. Jeez, I know. They were able to straighten it out, keep it under wraps, but this is serious.
Keep it under wraps in secret. He asked the other people to keep it as a secret.
I'm going all the way up.
No one goes all the way up.
I have to. You may never come back. I know.
Way up.
To go very high up.
Angry Birds animation. Red and his friends wants to go find the mighty eagle to help them because the pigs stole their eggs.
Does mighty eagle still live?
Did he ever live? And if he did live, where would he live?
By the lake of wisdom in the ancient tree.
It's a fairy tale. I've run all over this island.
Fairy tale is a traditional story. It's not real. It's imagination, it's about imaginary.
Where could that possibly be?
Way up high. It's a long way up that mountain. And if I'm being honest, well, I mean, you know, I could kind of use your help.
What's that? What are you trying to say?
Now that employee came to the board of directors to tell them the news.
Excuse me. Who are you? Aaron Dinkins, sir.
We're in the middle of a major sit-down here, Aaron Dinkins.
Sit down means a short period of sitting in order to rest.
I think you're going to want to hear this, sir.
Can you just email it, and you can send it to me EOD?
End of day. It's cool. May I put it in a whisper, sir?
Fine, whisper me.
Whisper.
To speak very quietly, using the breath, but not the voice, so that only the person close to you can hear you.
Better Things series, mother of the family, Sam, has invited one of her friends, and her daughter loudly asks her mother, "Do you want to marry him?" And his mother's friend jokingly says, "You better speak more slowly, so that I don't hear."
Mel, this is Frankie.
Hi. 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 Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Wait, one more hi. Hi.
Oh, then I gotta do this again to make it even. Hi.
Put on pants.
What? Are you gonna marry him?
Hey, Duke, you need to learn how to whisper.
And in the last part, Ken realizes that the real world, unlike Barbie Land, is run by men.
Excuse me, sir, do you have the time?
You respect me.
Sorry, no, do you know what time it is?
No, I do not.
Okay.
Halftime.
Used to ask someone what time it is, but here means to be available, to have nothing more important to do.
And the last example is the maid miniseries. Alex just ran away from home and his things are with her. Her old friend sees her and is surprised. Alex says, "What time is it?"
Facebook. What are you guys doing? Camped out on the floor. What are you, stranded?
No, we're got to the ferry a little early, so we're taking a little catnap.
Ferry is... Catnap is a short sleep during the day.
What time do you have? My phone died.
6:05.
My phone dead means my phone is off, is out of battery and off now.
Why do you have a vacuum?
I'm just really into vacuums right now, Nate. Like to keep one close.
Thank you for being with us this week. We will be back next week with new news. See you in the next one.